If your funnel ends when deal closes, you're losing money. Truth is, most revenue leaks happen after the deal is signed. That's why smart companies are using the Bowtie Funnel. It's not about closing fast, it's about growing long term. And with HubSpot, you can automate the entire journey. What is the Bowtie model? The traditional funnel ends with the sale. But the Bowtie funnel, it goes further. It maps the full customer journey from the first touch to the loyal performer. Picture this. The Bowtie left side is the marketing and sales, middle is the deal, and the right side is onboarding, retention, and expansion of existing accounts. Not just about closing, it's about delivering value over and over again. Why? Lead first and deal later. Most teams push for the deal too early, but the best conversations come when leads are fully ready. When you focus on educating and nurturing first, the close becomes a natural next step. Say a lead watches your demo first, reads a case study, and then books a call. They already trust you, so the closing is easy. In HubSpot, this means using the lead scoring to qualify, workflows to nurture, and automation to save time. So lead first, deal later, because trust comes before transactions. So building the Bowtie inside of HubSpot. Let's talk about that. How to build it inside HubSpot. You don't need 10 tools, just one that is set up right. Here's the structure. Step 1. Create a custom pipeline that includes onboarding and expansion stages, not only closed one. So add onboarding, active, and promoter stages. Step 2, use the marketing hub to attract and nurture leads on the left side of the Bowtie. Think of content offers, lead scoring, automated workflows, and so on. Number 3, use the sales hub for managing qualified handoffs and deal tracking. Make sure sales only touches warm leads. Step 4, use the Service Hub to manage onboarding and customer success, CS tasks, and automating renewal check-ins. Step 5, use custom reports to track both sides of the funnel. And last, funnel reports, lifecycle stages, and customer journey analytics. Now, let's take a look at real examples. So, this is the example of the Bowtie when you win a deal, how you can send emails to a customer, create tasks internally, schedule the kickoff, renewal check-ins, and all of it after close one. So our trigger is whenever a deal is closed one in our new pipeline, we set the contact to a marketing contact. We send a welcome email to the customer with all the next steps, what needs to happen. We create an internal task for the customer success person, and then we wait 90 days prior to renewal date, which we set up earlier as the last day, 365 days from close date, which is a calculation property. And then on that day, we schedule the call of 90 days as a notification. We create a task to schedule a check-in call with the customer. Then we wait 30 days before renewal date, do the same, check in and renew, and that's it. So with all these steps, with one trigger, which is our closed one, we could do all of this from closed one all the way to customer success, which is the middle and the right side of the funnel. And on the renewal date, I can show you, it's a super interesting one. It is a calculation property that calculates 365 days from the close date. So whenever you win a deal, let's say today, then your renewal date is automatically set to 2026, same day as of today. So this is a pretty cool example. Let me know how you use the Bowtie now. So what did we learn? The Bowtie funnel helps you generate and retain revenue, and HubSpot gives you everything you need to make it work. So on July 29th, Elefante RevOps is hosting a hands-on webinar workshop to fix that. We'll break down how to map buyer journeys, actually convert using the Bowtie funnel model inside HubSpot and Salesforce. You will learn 1. Understanding the Bowtie funnel. 2. Define low, mid, and high touch journeys. Set it up in HubSpot and Salesforce. Track what drives your revenue. If you are in marketing, sales, and RevOps, or growing a startup, this is for you. It's live on July 29th. Spots are limited. Sign up now through the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my HubSpot shortcuts. See you next week. Bye.